I can already tell I'm gonna have fun with this because I can't even get, like, I'm struggling to get this off of here. It is so hard, and like, I don't know, kind of hurts my fingertip when I try to push it. But this is a very abrasive material, and you could just tell by the feel of it. It's got a certain texture, it's got a certain strength to it that's like, it means business. It feels like a coat hanger just unwound, and then wound up around a spool. It's I'm gonna be interested in how this turns out. Ready for some fun. Now, because I want the Ace 2 Pro to last for a long time, there is no way I'm going to put such an abrasive, tough material inside my Ace. It's going on the external spool. There's no chance. Oh, and I don't think I showed this, but the ease of taking the front of this cover off, it's magnetic now. Never mind the gouges on here, that came from the factory like that. This is a beta machine, so I'm not gonna complain about it. But yeah, so swapping out the nozzle is gonna be super fast and super easy. You might notice I have some poop in my chute, and that's only because when you're using the external spool, when you use that and you have to feed it through here, hold on, let me unplug this. You have to unplug the Ace data cable in order for the UI to allow you to access the spool on the side. Anyway, so I'm going to change this. Oh, let's see. There it is, PAHTCF. And it is indeed black. But you'll need to use this to click extrude to get this material to fully like purge whatever's left in the nozzle. Click the button to extrude, and it went ahead and flicked the poop out that was in there from the last time. All right, looks like it's all done. Let's open it up, see what we got. Still a little warm. This is a replacement fan shroud for Kobra 3 Max because mine is toast. I don't have a separate oven to anneal this with, so I'm not gonna. Plus, it's just going on my 3D printer. I don't need it to be, you know, super dense or super like strong, right? It's just gonna cover the fan. It's just a duct. So, all right, well, that's the carbon fiber PAHTCF print. And I will throw this on the machine as soon as I get some magnets in it and see if it holds up. The slicer has a stock setting for PAHTCF, and I used it, but I changed one thing. I noticed that when I printed it stock settings, it started to lift from the edge here. It was curling or warping off of the bed. So I stopped the print and I resliced it at 110 degrees for the bed, and it stuck just fine. So that is the secret for PAHTCF. It's 110 degrees on the bed, but you can use the Anycubic stock setting with that one change. All right, well, there it is. Replacement fan shroud. Stick it in there, stick it in there. Not falling off. All right, good print.